Following the recent eruption of Mount Canlaon in Negros Occidental, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has ordered the immediate mobilization of government resources to ensure a swift response to affected communities. The palace assured the public that a whole-of-government approach is being implemented to address the calamity. Several government agencies have been placed on high alert to coordinate efforts and deliver necessary assistance to affected residents. The Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD, is closely monitoring the situation and has begun pre-positioning family food packs in areas impacted by the volcanic activity. In the meantime, the Department of Health, or DOH, has issued health advisories to residents near the volcano and urged the public to wear protective masks and clothing to guard against harmful volcanic ash. The DOH also encouraged residents to coordinate with local health units for emergency concerns. In Canlaon City, the local government has issued a directive prohibiting entry within the 6-kilometer permanent danger zone surrounding the volcano. This precaution comes as Mount Canlaon remains under alert level 3. The palace also emphasized that the national government is prepared to release additional funds to support local government units should the need arise.
Patuloy pa rin po ang binibigyan ng serbisyo po. Ayon na rin sa direktiba ng ating Pangulo. Ang DSWD po ay hanggang sa ngayon po, ngayong April 8 ay sinabi po na ang field offices po sa Western and Central Visayas ay closely coordinating po sa mga affected local government units. At patuloy pa rin po ang pagbibigay ng mga provisions of family food packs and non-food items sa ating mga kababayan na naaapektuhan. Kung kinakailangan po, ito po ay titignan po mabuti kung ano po ang pangangailangan ng mga LGUs at agad-agad pong bibigyan po ito ng tulong.